a lot came up about sort of how does this medium sort of fit kind of multiple uses, and I think as a sort of medium, it kind of, what sort of gradually unravelled and revealed itself was that it's a way in for tons of like different views and sort of viewpoints and different ways to kind of use it as a medium. So we kind of like established that, and then talked about some of our learnings as a production company and some of the stuff we've shot.
Yeah, so then we went out by the canal on this beautiful sunny day and tried to capture some nice moments of nature. We also got everybody in a circle around the camera, just to do a sort of nice group still shot for a start, and then play with distance from the lens. So, you know, how sort of intrusive did that feel when we obviously put it into the VR headset afterwards, you know, did it feel like, ooh, and it was quite profound and effective, actually, we discovered.
The most important thing was like learning another language, and then, you know, we saw through the shoot like what works better, what doesn't.
I sort of learned about 360 equipment that was currently available, and I sort of didn't really know what's better to use and what's more expensive, for example, like stuff like that I wasn't really sure about, but having had sort of hands-on experience, I know kind of which ones I'd like to go for.
I've learned, well, it's the first time I've seen 3D 360, which was great, and I've learned a lot about the different cameras and about the editing goodness as well, and just to collaborate with people has been really good.
Took tons of notes, and the main thing I take away from this is creating a sequence of moments where this narrative helps the viewer place them in an experience that perhaps will change them for the better.
What I really wanted to get out today was learn from professionals how they're doing it, because, you know, we're all kind of working very alone, a lot of the time researching online and finding just ways to do things ourselves, sort of self-starters in this industry. So when you start to being able to connect with a company and actually learn that you're actually doing things right is actually really refreshing. It's just been really good. And plus also the cameras and tech, I've got to actually experience so much and connect with other people, but the fact that there's a community and a conversation now is a big deal. And I come from film, which is not equal. So the fact we're doing it now from the start, yeah, that's awesome.
So we've got some footage on the screen that we can maybe have a look at a bit afterwards, or now, or let's do it afterwards.
Let's do it afterwards,
yeah,
okay.
Which is just simply 40 seconds of a shot that we created where there were some issues to do with where we place the camera, how we choreograph around the camera, and how we suddenly disappear as a group. But hopefully it was fun for you guys. It felt like you were all asking questions. Good.